All right, man, that sucks. I did that whole video and wasn't recording the audio because I'm an idiot and I had the wrong thing plugged in. And I didn't check it before I posted it, which means I'm really out of practice. So I got to get better at this. I'm going to make an even faster Dasher demo real quick. So let me show you. So Dasher is the tool for if you're following this thread and you don't know what we're talking about, like the words on the right and you're driving a car or whatever the quote was. A Dasher is a very old AAC device. It's been around forever and ever, and it is the thing that I would like when I eventually can't speak. And I hope I get there because I hope I live long enough to eventually not be able to speak and still be able to communicate, which is what I think Dasher would let me do. So I've told it's in my plan. Like Lori knows, if I can't speak, get me Dasher. And it is very, very powerful. So let's take a quick look at it. Will Wade is going to probably comment beneath here. I think he actually already has a little bit. I obviously am today. I'm just a Bill. I was not planning on making a video today, but I am in the video room, and if I can remember how to make the all the equipment work, I'll do it. Will Wade is now working on updating Dasher for the 21st century because it really is that old. But let's show how this thing works and what it does. So I have here down in the bottom right, you'll see my hand moving. And I did that mainly so people can see just how little you need to move to be able to do Dasher, right? And this is using the standard mouse settings. And I think it probably moves a total of like a half an inch or a quarter inch in any direction, this mouse down here. So I have that down here as we speak. Over on the left there, you'll see the Dasher interface. And it is weird. It's a very weird interface, you'll see. It is a very flexible tool. If you look under the preferences, you'll see you can control it with a joystick, a mouse, tilt socket, one button, multiple buttons. Um, there's a ton of different ways that you can connect to this. You can change the colors, you can change the font size, you can change what it does. So when you're done clicking, when you get to the end of a sentence, do you want it to speak things or not? Do you want to copy everything to the clipboard? There's a lot of options that you have. You also have the option of what language you want it to use. And in addition to changing the characters that are available, like you might get Chinese characters or kanji or whatever, you'll see that even within English, there's multiple options in here. Like if you're just using it for speech, you might just want the lowercase characters. If you're going to type and copy it into a Word document, might want all of the punctuation and the numbers. I'm going to use here English with limited punctuation because I happen to know that there is a good vocabulary set, a set of text, a training set for it that will give it good statistics. And if you change it to one that doesn't have that, it gives you this argument that says, warning, warning, no user training found. Okay. So I'm just going to use this one because I know I've used it successfully before. So the way the Dasher works is it basically lays out anything that you could say in the language you have it trained for over here to the right of this line. So like if you wanted to say, "Hi, my name is Bill," right? Over here to the right, you'll see that there's an H here. Right? That's the beginning of "Hi, my name is Bill." So once you drive this thing into the H, you'll see the most likely next letter is E. Because at the beginning of a sentence, the most likely thing you're going to say is here or however, comma, right? But I want to say hi. So once I move, oh, by the way, I'm clicking to start and stop the motion. Once I get going and I'm not talking to you, I will do that less, okay? But I'm going to say hi. So as you see, as I move it over here to the right, you can see that I've got the I, right? And then you can see even with the punctuation, it says comma, hi, comma, my, and you can see what's most likely to come next. And it is every time I say a word, it's going to say it. But it's looking at what is the most likely thing you're going to say, right? Hi, my name is. Hi, my dear. Right? These are the things you're likely to say. So you're looking forward to the right, and I will see. I want to say name. Hi, my name. Hi, my name is. And then if it was trained for me, it would have Bill, but I'm just going to go to the B and then look for the I, and it's alphabetical top to bottom. LL. Okay, that's that's how Dasher works. You fly off to the right, and you can say things that are complicated and things that aren't pre-trained on a grid, and you can say anything. So here, I'll just run kind of full speed here.
As you can see, it might take some time to get used to.
All right. So like I said, I can say anything with this, and I love that about Dasher. Right. Um, the downsides you probably just saw. If you are the observer of this, you can't figure out what on earth is going on, and it makes you nauseous. It makes a lot of people car sick to watch other people do Dasher, and a lot of people just go, "Nope, nope, nope, I'm not doing that." And I totally get that if it's the end user saying, "Nope, nope, nope, I'm not doing that." But I honestly think one of Dasher's biggest problems is the caregivers and the clinicians don't want to get car sick while helping somebody and modeling Dasher for them and watching them use it. And I think honestly that's the biggest thing that it's got going against it. So I hope this gives a good demonstration. I'm going to try again. Hopefully, I actually have audio on this one. Um, I apologize for not being on more and more involved. I have been working with some of you, as you know, but not on real public stuff. And I will try and get better at this as we go. I'm going to let this be a very informal video. And as always, good luck and have fun.